Hey, traders, may pips be upon you. Look, I want to talk about Aussie, uh, Japanese yen. Look, I apologize. I apologize because I kind of left you hanging with this one. What had happened was, I'm sorry. What had happened was, um, the setup was we were waiting for a price to come back to the 618, and it did come back there, but we were waiting at the time of the video. I was it was just showing, you know, it was looked like it was going to go. It looked like it was going to go, and we went down to the 4 hour, if I remember correctly. We went down to the 4 hour. It gave us these candles, and I was asking myself, it's giving me the candles at the proper level, which is at the daily support, and I said, is that enough? And I said, no, I needed to go higher. I needed to break higher for a valid entry. Well, I even pointed out this trend line. I was like, oh, it hit the trend line. It looks like it might be good or whatever. No, it wasn't good. It ended up going deeper. And if you look at it on the daily, it hit that 786, the last line of the Fibonacci retracement tool, that where you expect price to reverse. And they did exactly that with this beautiful rejection wick. All right. But what I did anyway, I keep saying you're not sharing the blame. What I did was I went down to the 1 hour, and I believe, I'm trying to remember. I believe either I was looking here at this reaction, or I was looking here. You know what? I'm actually thinking I was looking right here. I'm thinking I was looking right here, and it gave a false signal to go up. It didn't give me a close. It went deeper. It went down to the 786 line here, and I was looking for it to land here. So once it went past the 618, I kind of like took it off my radar. I really should have given you an explanation or a cancellation of some kind of something. But this actually turned out to be a pretty outstanding catch if somebody was paying attention, paying the attention it was due. Once it hit the 786 and it rejected, this was a nice pickup of from this level of about 77 pips. It moved 77 pips from the 786. So this is the one that got away. Took my eyes off it. The ones that I did put my eye on are still running and are still profitable. Let's make no mistake about that. Matter of fact, we can check in on those things right now. We'll look at USD Swiss. You see how it's still descending. All right. Well into profit. Euro USD, this one I just put on the other day. You can see how well it is still running and getting ready to head towards TP, right? Final TP rather. All right. And Swiss yen, you can see how well this one, if we broke that high, you should be, your stop loss should be right up under this wick here. All right. With a trailing stop loss. Yeah. We might have, I might have left that one alone, but Aussie yen, but I should have given you guys a follow up on it, and I'll do better. I'll do better on that in the future, of course. That's not usually what I do. I like to keep you guys informed. So, if you took any of the other trades, enjoy your profits and let them run over the weekend if you like. I usually like to start with a clean slate on Mondays. I don't like holding things over the weekend. That's just my personal thing. But you guys do whatever it is you do, and enjoy your weekend. I'll see you in the next video, and trade safe.